What up? Wagwan beautiful people, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be creating this look, so please tag along for the look. Alright, as usual I'm gonna start off with my brows, and I already outlined them. I used a brow stamping kit from Avaka, and that's what I used to define my brows and fill them in. So I just cleaned them up, and this is what they're looking like right now. So I'm gonna start with the eyes, and I'm just using a concealer to use as a base for my eyeshadows, and I'm starting off with this pink. It looks like rose pink, and I'm just blending it into the outer corner of my eye. Next I'm gonna blend out the edge using a slight purple, and I'm just tapping that onto the edge, and you also using windshield wiper motions. Yeah, so next I'm gonna take a lighter pink shade to put in the middle of my eyelids, and I'm just tapping that onto the eyelid. And in the corner I'm just gonna go with a white shade because I want that part to be really light. And there it is. And I'm also just tapping the edges of the shadows together so they blend seamlessly together and there are no harsh lines. Of course I'm gonna go over everything with that transition shade that I used to blend out the edges. And now onto the face. So I am moisturizing my face right here. And then I'm just gonna move on to primer. The primer I'm using is from e.l.f. It's the Putty Primer, the matte one. And now I'm just applying foundation. Of course, it's quite obvious that I speed up the video because you don't wanna sit and watch a video for too long. I know for me, I don't like them too long, so I try not to make them too long. Okay. Alright, so I like to take a damp beauty blender and just blend it over my foundation so that everything is well blended. And then I'm just gonna move on to contour. The contour that I'm using is from Black Radiance, and I'm just taking a concealer brush to apply that where I want to contour. As usual guys, thanks for watching my videos. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but thanks for sticking around, thanks for staying. I really appreciate your support. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and please just hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So I'm using that same beauty blender, and I'm just blending out the contour. Guys, me up on social media, just follow my other pages. I'm on Instagram at Beyoutifiedbyj. I'm on TikTok. Who know that on TikTok now? Yes, head on over to TikTok and follow me at Beyoutifiedbyj. And on Facebook, I'm at Beautiful Bells by Janice. Yes, so just follow your girl. I will follow back. Now I am applying I'm blending out my concealer. Places where I'm highlighting. This concealer is from AOA Cosmetics, really cheap. If you're looking for cheap makeup, head on over to shopmissa.com. You can get a variety of items that you can use in your makeup kit or for your own personal use. They have a lot of lashes, beauty blenders. I especially shop at Shop Miss A to get their beauty blenders, some lashes. And you can get stuff like concealers, a lot of lip products, and they also sell some accessories and all of the things that you may find useful. Okay, so now I'm just taking my foundation brush and I'm just blending out the edges of all the contour and highlighter that I placed so that everything blends seamlessly together. I'm using that same beauty blender, and I'm applying some banana powder to the areas that I highlighted just to set that. Kind of doing some baking today. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going in with some powder from the Sasha Buttercup palette. Is it Sasha Buttercup? It's just Sasha powder palette. I really like the powders, they set the face really well. And I'm darker shade from that same palette to set my contour. So after I finish contouring my nose, I'm just gonna move on to dusting that baking powder off my face. And I'm taking a fluffy brush, also using the powder that I use to set the rest of my face. You know, the one that matches my complexion. I'm using that to just brush the baking powder off of my face. And now I'm gonna set my face. I'm using the setting spray from Scandinavia. And I don't know what got into me, but I just thought I would use the beauty blender to just pat the setting spray into my skin. So I'm gonna finish up the eyes, and I chose this teal color to put underneath my eyes. I wanted something to contrast the pink and the purple that I used on my eyelid. Now onto lining my eyes. I actually finished lining my eyes off camera because it's kind of difficult to line it while holding the mirror. And I applied some mascara. To finish up with my lips, I'm just using a pencil from Shiny Cosmetics to outline my lips. And then I use a brown lip pigment from the Coastal Scents lip palette. So just filling my lips. And here I'm applying some highlighter. I already applied some blush to my face, so I'm just finishing off with some highlighter. And I also highlighted my brow bone and my cupid's bow to give that sexy look. Let's smack those lips together because we're finished doing our makeup and we're looking good. So I'm just gonna let my hair down, nothing fancy. I'm just letting my hair down to complete the look, and this is what the makeup looks like. Let me know if you like this look, and give me a thumbs up. You're free to share my videos. You're free to leave a comment. I love your feedback. And also remember, thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Stay beautiful. Bye.